Good day, everyone. No? Our topic today is about maximum cargo to load on board your ship. Maximum cargo to load with drop limit and drop restriction. So, maximum cargo to load with drop limit or drop restriction. For example, when you load in Malaysia and the cargo will send or travel to Korea. The Korea berth that you uh, discharge the load has drop limit or drop restriction. So this question, I will write down the questions. Question explain that calculate the maximum cargo to load on your vessel when she is required a drop of 10.1 meters. So only 10.1 meters is the drop limit on that fort, no? To complete its loading to her summer load lines. So the initial drop before loading is 3.3 meters. So before the loading start of cargo operation, you see your drop marks or your mean drop 3.3 meters without cargo on board. So now we will load the maximum cargo to load to reach this 10.1 meters. Okay, solution. This solution is by TPC and Syncage. Okay, so TPC and seawater required for draft 10.10 meters. The 10.10 meters we assume because we have no hydrostatic table, so I will explain only the idea. No, so let's say the TPC is 35.1, okay, tons. And the TPC in seawater for initial draft 3.3 meters equals to, let's say, 31.48 tons. So we will compute the mean TPC. Okay. So mean TPC in seawater equals this 35.10 plus 31.48 divide 2 to get the mean TPC. So 35.1 plus 31.48 equals divide 2. So we have a mean TPC of 33.29 tons. Okay, so we'll get the sinkage. Sinkage, rise centimeters equals weight to load and discharge over TPC. So sinkage means when the vessel is loaded a weight, no? So the sinkage happen. Rise mean when the ship is on discharging operation of weight, rise is happen. Okay, that is the theory of sinkage and rise. So now we will get the cargo to load. So required draft. So the required draft or the draft limit there is 10.10 meters. And the initial draft before loading is 3.3 meters. So we will get the sinkage. So we have a sinkage of 6.8 meters. So we will convert this to get a centimeter. So what is the formula? Okay, what is the formula? So bear in mind that 100 centimeters is equals to 1 meter. Okay, so 6.80 meters times 100 equals 6.80 times 100 equals 680 centimeters. Okay, so we will get now the cargo to load. So cargo load to load equals sinkage times TPC, mean TPC. Okay.